you're experiencing a server timeout issue in Baldur's Gate 3. This guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Follow these steps to get back into the game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media pages to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and restart it. This can help reset any temporary issues that may be causing the timeout error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3 in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You can try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if you're currently using Wi-Fi. A stable connection can help prevent timeout errors. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software may block the game from connecting to the servers. Check your firewall settings to ensure that Baldur's Gate 3 is allowed through. You may need to add it as an exception. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the server timeout issue in Baldur's Gate 3. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.